It was a fateful day on the island of Sodor. Stanley was just— Ah, shit! This sucks. Well, Stanley, you knew the layout was freaking unfinished. Hey, I didn't know, okay? Oh, I know what you were trying to do. You were doing this on purpose. Well, sir, worse things can happen. What do you mean? The express coming through! Oh, crap! Why am I still saying? What happened? Yeah, what in the hell is going on? Gordon, I am very disappointed in you. I couldn't stop in time. Come on, you guys, don't fight. Jesus Christ, I didn't do this on purpose. Ow. Looks like Sir Topham had got very derailed. That is one horrible joke. As soon as Rocky gets me back on track, I'm gonna kick your... Trains don't have butts, buffers. I want to feel it to believe it. Oh, really? You want to see? Shut up! Oh, yes, absolutely, sir. You broke my buffers! I'm sorry I had to stutter, but still! Well, this wasn't my fault. I did not see any of this coming. Oh, hey there, everybody. What's with all the ruckus? Okay, never mind.